Hello, my name is Bodyo. I'm an orthopedist. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you some easy but still very effective exercises that will help keep your child's feet healthy. According to statistics, people who live in big cities have flat feet far more often. And first of all, it happens because they constantly wear shoes. The thing is, our muscles are not able to work properly inside a shoe. Child's foot continues to develop till the end of the pubertal age, till they are 18-20. And during this whole period, muscles play the key role in its proper development. That's why muscles should be treated in a special way. In order to elaborate leg and foot muscles, you should practice 5 exercises. They can all be performed by grown-ups as well as by children. To do the exercises, you will need an orthopedic mat and a rubber expander. Exercise number 1. Walking on an orthopedic mat. This exercise is available for children that are only learning to walk. An orthopedic mat has an uneven surface that makes foot and leg muscles operate to its maximum. Mats can be different. They can be soft, medium, and hard. They can have small elements or bigger ones. Soft mats with small elements are better suited for babies. Growing up, child can use harder and bigger ones. Exercise 2. Lifting on toes. It's crucial to do the exercise well. You just slowly lift on the toes and lower down. I usually recommend to do the exercise 4 times by 10 repeats. This exercise can be done by children that are older than the age of 3-4. Exercise 3. Adduction of the front side of the feet. This exercise is available for the children older than age of 6-7. To perform this exercise, you should sit, and you will need a rubber expander. You should put the rubber expander on your foot so that it is stretched to the outer side. Then you lift the front of your foot and pull it to your second foot. I recommend to do the exercise 4 times by 10 repeats. The rubber expander can be held by parents or it can be attached to an unmovable object. To perform the 4th exercise, you will also need an expander and it is also done sitting. You should put the expander on your both feet. The rubber expander should be put a little higher than an ankle, and it should create the pressure enough for your feet to collapse to the inside. If you do it right, the inside of your feet will lift just a little. Usually I recommend to do this exercise 4 times by 10 repeats. Exercise 5. Collecting small objects by your foot. I recommend to throw some small toys or Legos and then collect them into a small container. It is fun for kids and help develop their fine motor skills. You can use almost everything. Here's what I found. A pen cap, a battery, a clothespin. In order for these exercises to be effective, they must be done every day. If you consider this information helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Wish you and your feet good health.